Is it on video? Drinking Bud Light Orange. Better than Bud Light Lime. Tony Bladel in his prime. What? I date a motherfucker dime. Blade Brown is the man. Man of the hour. Bitch driving around town drinking whiskey fucking sour with this show. American Sniper. I wanna drive a fucking Viper over a Porsche. I'm on the front porch. Doing brats like a horse. I'm on the rug. Bitch, think you hard? I'm a motherfucker thug. I like to talk on my phone. All alone. I like the motherfucker drone in the sky on the fan. And the man. Bitch, I represent the Ku Klux Klan. Don't say that to a nigga. I wear Tommy Hilfiger. What? I'm telling he fucking, I pulled the trigger. Blade fucking Brown. I don't like the Cleveland Browns. We got Melissa fucking Ehrman taking this fucking video. On the trigger.